If you're looking to change your availability and practice better, you've come to the right place. Whether you want to update your working hours or set custom availability for specific clients, this quick tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. First, let's talk about how to access your availability settings. From the dashboard, click on Settings in the left-hand menu. Then, look for Availability under the Appointments section. Once you're there, you'll see a layout that lets you customize your working hours, breaks, and time zone preferences. Next thing, once you're in the Availability section, you'll notice a default calendar view that shows your current set availability. To make changes, click on Edit Availability, and this will open a page where you can start adjusting your hours. You can specify hours for each day of the week, and even break it down by specific time blocks if needed. The third thing you might want to customize is setting up your unavailable periods. This is especially helpful if you need to block out time for vacations, meetings, or personal matters. Just click on the Unavailable Time option, select the date range, and save. It's a simple yet effective way to make sure no appointments get scheduled when you're not available. Another useful feature is setting different availability for different clients or services. For example, you can set specific hours for one-on-one coaching sessions, but have different hours for group programs. Just click on the Service-Specific Availability option and adjust it accordingly. Now, let's talk about time zone settings. If you're working with clients in different regions or even internationally, it's crucial to adjust your time zone correctly. You can find this under General Settings, where you can sync your local time zone with Practice Better, so all your scheduled appointments reflect the correct times for both you and your clients. And here's a quick tip before we wrap up. If you often find yourself needing to manage your availability on the go, the mobile app for Practice Better lets you make these adjustments just as easily from your phone. You can update your availability anytime, anywhere, which makes it really convenient for busy professionals. Before you go, I want to let you know that while Practice Better offers great features, there are some amazing alternatives out there that may better suit your needs for managing availability. These alternatives not only offer extended free trials, but also provide unique features that can streamline your workflow even further. So, if you're looking for something a little more tailored to your exact needs, I've got you covered. The best part? Through our exclusive link, you can access the best free trial and some amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details on how to make your scheduling and availability management even easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of Practice Better.